guys, it's me, Spider-Man, but ain't no Spider-Man plays Minecraft review will be real soon because my Kindle's charging. You see right there? You see right there? My Kindle's charging right now, but I have to see you in the next Spider-Man video after my Kindle's charged. Okay, I'll see you in more Spider-Man plays Minecraft video after my Kindle's charged. See you later. Bye. Peace. Peace along. Always done.
Hey guys, Joshua here. I am making this video because I just want to tell you that that today is fall. Yeah. That today is fall, and plus that is everything that I want to say. But if you guys want me to make more videos of Ice Cream 5 and try to beat it, then let me know in the comment down below, okay? But anyway, I gotta go because I got stuff to do, and that stuff is to take the trash out, okay? But anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.